Good evening. This is Vishal from Data Science Literature Rate Analysis in India. Introduction with the educational fundamental pillar of any society playing with the pivotal role in the shaping the future of individuals and the driving overall socio-economic developments in India, where the United understanding this complex educational ecosystem and gaining insights into various facts and crucial for informed decisions making and targeted interventions to ensure an equitable and the quality education system. Where the problems are faced by this is the problem statement aims to perform an explorational data analysis for the gaining of the valuable insights into the distribution of schools enrollment rates and the literature levels across different states and union territories. The analysis seeks to uncover pattern trends and disparities in the educational landscape of the country, thereby providing policymakers or stakeholders with actionable information to make informed decision for the educational improvements and the developments. Where the motivation for this, the education plays a pivotal role in the overall growth and the development for the future of individuals and the society at the large number of part, where understanding the educational ecosystem and identifying the areas that requires attention and the enhancement for the critical for the skilled population. However, the sheer scale and complexity of the education data in India make it challenging to the gain meaningful insights manually. Where the approaches for this, where the exploratory data analysis of the education data in India involves series steps aimed for the data sets. The primary objects to gain comprehensive understanding the educational landscapes, where school distributions, enrollments rate, and the literacy levels. By leveraging the data-driven insights, the project aims to contribute the evidence-based decisions making, ultimately more equitable and the effective education system that empowerment individual and supports to the national progress. Where the result is for this, the result of the exploration datasets EDA in India revealed several valuable insights into the educational territories. Here are some of the key findings along with the explanation: total school distributions, total populations, and school enrollments in the government schoolings, and the relation between the total school and the total enrollments, correlation matrix, state-wise literature rate by the gender, government versus the private schools. Where the datasets are taken from the internet by 2015-16, where the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh. These are the graphs where it's differentiate whether the schoolings and the state schoolings in the state and the union territories, where differences of the each and every state it's shown this. The changes regarding on the 8th and ninth slide is probably in the 8th slide the Uttar Pradesh is the highest one, and in this slide it shows the West Bengal. Moreover, we can change the differences between the different, where the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and the West Bengal are changing every time. The relation between the total school and the total enrollments are plotted here, and this is a visualization for the correlation matrix for the government and the districts for the total population of the schools and the male literacy and the female literacy. These are the pair plots for the selected variables. You can show here, and this is a pie chart for the every state like Sikkim to Goa, whether depends on the government and the private. It is differentiating a bit in between the government and the private schools. Moreover, in the Madhya Pradesh and the Kerala as a government, the private schools are more in the Madhya Pradesh and the Kerala compared to us, and the Lakshadweep as the government schools more. In this you can show the graph, the total literacy rate in each state and union territories, where the state and union territories it's shown here. And in this the state-wise literacy rate in India, where the elementary literacy, elementary male literacy, elementary female literacy are shown below, where the results for this is the total social distributions and the total population as soon as, and the schools, where the Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal are the higher number of schools with the smaller union territories like Lakshadweep and Dam, where the total population and the schools as the number of schools is increased, where the enrollment in the government schools are less in some states like Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan have the higher enrollments in the government schools, probably for the relation between the total school and the total enrollments, where the enrollments allowed us to identify the patterns in the school capacities. Depends on that. Correlation matrix are revealed in the relationship between the different educational matrix, such as the correlation between the number of schools and the enrollments, where the state-wise literacy rate is the highlighted variations in the literacy rate, like Kerala, Delhi exhibited higher literacy rates, where the BR and Rajasthan shows the lower, where the literacy rate by the gender is gaps between the male and female literacy rates, indicating the need to judge gender sensitivity, where the pie chart is government versus the private schools, as shown as in the above, where the conclusion is the EDA offer data-driven insights that can be informed decision for the develop with the educational landscape in India by addressing the disparate improvements in the specific regions where educational system, where the future works while the current project focusing on the conducting on the exploration data analysis for the extending the work develop deeper into the educational landscapes and address more specific research questioning, where the future work is time series analysis, predicting modeling social and economic factors, cluster analysis, data from other sources, geospatial analysis, comparative analysis, impact evaluation, interactive dashboards, incorporative quality of the data. Thank you.